Hello, welcome to Problematic Code. Today, me and Aman will be solving from Leetcode the count out numbers in an interval range from math and geometry, which is problem 1523. So we're given two non-negative integers, low and high. Return the count of odd numbers between low and high inclusive. So given two non-negative integers, low and high, return the count of odd numbers between low and high inclusive. So we're given 3 and 7. And odd numbers between 3 and 7 are 3, 5, and 7. Okay. And that gives 3 as output.
So we said odd numbers are just ones that aren't divisible by 2, right?
Mm-hmm. So
Okay.
isn't like one simple way we just do like a for loop?
Yeah, we iterate through.
Yeah, to like high. We
But it
start.
says math, so
Yeah,
I don't
maybe
know.
just
It's
some.
probably a faster way.
Yeah, let's do this way first, really quick, right? So like we know there's like one solution, right? And then try to come with like the faster way, or like the mathematical way. What do you think? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then what we're gonna do here is just have like int count equals 0 if I divisible by 2 is equal to 0. Oh wait, turn to odd, right? So equal to 1 count plus plus, and we'll just do return count. So this should work. So basically just going through counting and counting how many values are divisible by 2. So this should be a slow solution.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, so time limit exceeded. So that means this was pretty slow. Okay, so we have two values, right? We have 7 and 3, right? We do 7 minus 3, we get 4. Um, 2. Okay, we get 4, and we know that 2 of them are included. So
Might have
then,
something to do with even and odd.
yeah,
Seven's an odd number, right?
yeah, that's what I'm thinking, like 7 and 3, right? So we
Yeah.
know it's like 7 and 3 are already odd, right? So that means we already have two values, right? We do 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. We know 7 and 3 are already included, right? So that takes 2, right? That means you have two values in between. That means you can only get 1, right? And that gets you 3. If we do 10 and 8, we know those are not odd, right? And we do 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. That means we can only choose one value, right? But let's say we do.
Maybe if it's even.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. So the low was 5 and 7. We only have 5, 7. That'd just be 2. 7 minus 5 is 2, right? So
Wait, 7 minus 2 is 5, yeah.
what if it was odd numbers, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like 3 and 7, so then we increase.
You increase by 2 instead of like just 1.
I think like we do subtract it, right? Like 7 minus 3,
Mm-hmm.
and then we just take like the divisible of 2 of that number we get,
Mm-hmm.
and then we add 1 for the odd one or something.
So like we do 7 minus 3, which is 4. You said divisible by 2. We
Hmm.
get 2, right?
Yeah. Then we add 1 because they're odd. Just
Okay.
trying to think though. What if like
The
we had? What
8
if the
and
low was 4?
so we do 7 and 4 is equal to 3. Divided by 2 is equal to 1, right? Plus 1
Yeah.
is equal to 2, which is right. But let's say we had 6 and 4.
They're
Yeah.
both odd numbers, right?
No. 4 is not odd.
Or I
Yeah.
mean, they're both non-odd numbers.
Yeah.
I mean,
Like,
so then we don't add a 1 to it.
yeah, so you just get 1. Yeah, I think that's right. Let's do like 10 and 8. Yeah, okay, that one works. What if the what if this is 7? You get 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus 1 and you get
It's supposed to be 3, right? Oh wait,
you
no.
get 2. No, 2.
7 and 9.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think that's right.
Yeah,
If
we can try it.
if low equals 0, right? So let's put another parentheses here. Or high divided by 2 is equal to 0. We just have a boolean. And, boolean, and we'll just call this flag equals false. We'll do false is equal to, or oops, flag is equal to true. That means that there is a divisible value, right, or a odd number. And
Wait,
then low
so
and high.
in 10 digits, there's half odd and half even, right?
Yeah. Wait,
So then in 10,000 digits, there would be half odd and half even?
I think so. Wait, so like if there's 10, right? You have
Yeah.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That's 5, right? And then you have
Yeah.
0, 2,
If we
4.
don't include 0.
Oh, if you don't include 0, so we have 1, or no, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Yeah, it's 5, 5. Yep. And then we do count plus plus. And then what we do here, so now we just do int difference is equal to high minus low, and we do int count. Count is going to equal difference divided by 2 plus count. Return count. So in this case, if it's, let's say 4 to 2, you get 2. Okay, yeah, I think this should be right. Let's see. 2. Wait, is this incorrect? Oh, okay. Oops. Count is equal to, let's call this int res. Count plus equals res. I think this should. Oh, oops. No, I'm doing this wrong. Hold up. Does not equal. This should fix it. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, so this problem 1523, count odd numbers in an interval range. So basically what you're doing is you have a loop, or not loop, you have an if statement. You're checking if your beginning or your high is odd. If it's odd, that means you have to you do count plus plus, because that means you have a low and high value, one of them being odd. And then what you do is you just subtract them, the high and low, divide by 2, because now you have the half of it, right? Half of that value, half of that number has to be odd or even. Like, they're equally distributed, basically, the odd and even between a number. So for example, if you have 10, you know you have 5 odd, 5 even. So in this case, you know that. So you divide by 2, you get res. And you do count plus equals res, and you return count. And yeah, this is this problem. And yeah, thank you for checking out problematic code. Subscribe, leave a comment down in the comment section below.